Welcome back to the Rolling Robot series. If you just joined our series, we are creating this rolling robot chassis. In this episode, we are going to simplify our design by focusing on only one corner of the chassis. We'll put our parts in place and create a subassembly. We can reuse our corner design with our chassis to complete the other three corners. Click the link below to download the necessary files to follow along with the tutorials. Before I'm ready to add mates to align the motor, I need to add a construction line to the corner gusset. I right-click on the corner gusset and select Edit Part. Sketching on the top face of the gusset, I draw a center line that bisects the corner gusset. I will rename the sketch Axle. Tip: pressing F2 after selecting the sketch enables you to rename the sketch. I am now ready to insert the motor and wheel part into our assembly. I need to add 3 mates to define our motor position. Using a coincident mate, I align the outer faces. Next, I define a 120 mm distance mate from the top of the corner gusset to the top of the motor. Finally, I add a coincident mate between the motor's right plane and the axle sketch. Now that our corner is mocked up, I want to create a subassembly. To do this, I select the corner gusset and the motor. Right-click on the part and pick Form New Subassembly. This creates a new virtual assembly. Our design is now over-defined. The distance mate we added earlier is now over-defining the assembly. Delete it. To wrap up the subassembly, I will rename it Motor Corner Sub. Right-click on the Motor Corner Sub and select Save Assembly to an external file, and then select Same as Assembly. Click OK. This converts the virtual assembly into an assembly. Using subassemblies is a great way to distill your design into logical groups. With options to pattern, copy, and mirror these subassemblies, we can reduce our design time. Join me next time as we begin modeling our motor mounting plate. Thanks for tuning into the series Rolling Robots. I'll see you in the next episode.